Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold price has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2039.58, which you can see looking at this particular chart. For this particular week we have seen there is a green candle is forming and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see, because there is a clear U pattern is forming and chances can be high, a further high we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, as you can see, opposite U pattern is forming. After that there is an up, and then if the price keeps falling below a level of $2,000, we will see a further downfall and chances can be high it can go below a level of 1975 with the price fall below a level of 2000, as you can see looking as per weekly chart. Okay, understand, day wise chart will be different, weekly chart will be different, their resistance supports will be different. So you have to understand and put your SL and target as per that particular chart. There is U pattern is forming and the similar U pattern is forming. Okay, and these are the similarities what we have seen in these three patterns. But if you go beyond these patterns from 2012 to 2020, this was a bigger pattern which has formed, and you can see looking at this particular chart, this was the bigger pattern, and after that 1 2 3 the similar patterns are formed in this particular zone. Before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, what we have seen, there is a continuous rise. Okay, and that is where one of the reason that the price of gold has fall a sharp, we can see, look at this particular trend. Okay, and as soon as the price hit, we have seen there is a fall in the price of gold, a sharp one. Okay, and from around 2057 it came to around $29. Okay, this is what the sharp what we have seen, because the price of dollar increased. Okay, see, when the price of dollar index increase, what is the difference we can see? Suppose if some of the countries are importing any of the commodities or any of the things, okay, then they have to pay in the dollars. Okay, when the price of dollar index increases, they have to pay same for the same quantity, they have to pay more price. This is where the price affect the buy and sell. Okay, import and export, this is how it affects. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, that suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the price can go further upside and can go towards a level of $2049 if the price sustain this level. And once the price started going up a level of around 2049, because this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will move above that level, and from there a probability of crossing that level we can see, and from there it will go towards 2065. This 2065 is also being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards 2074. And if the price keeps sustaining about 2074, okay, because all these level, if you see, these are all being tested here, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there a probability of going towards 2077. Okay, and once the price started moving above that level, a further upside we can see towards $2091. And once started going this level, because there is a clear indication and pattern is also forming that once the price started going above a level of $2058, a further upside movement we can see. And once started going up 2091, a further high we can see, then we can see it will touch its particular high from 2145. Okay, and if the price started moving above that level, a further upside we can see. Okay, but you have to remember something, market is always uncertain. Okay, market is always uncertain, so reduce the uncertainty. You have to put your SL, that will save your capital. Okay, and once you are in profit, always try to trail your profit. That's make you a more confident trader, because you are saving your profit and taking it at home, and that is very important. Okay, that will build your confidence, risk capability will increase. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $31.49. Okay, if the price started moving below that particular level, we will see it will go towards 2024. Okay, and once the price started falling below 2024, a further fall we can see, it will go below a level of 2016. Okay, and this 2016 is already being tested, so chances of going towards $20.06 is there. and once the price started falling below 2006, a further fall we can see, and from there a probability of going below a level of 2000 and we can see, and then from there it will touch a level of around 1993. Once the price started falling below 1993, a further fall we can see, from there a probability of going towards 1985. Keep that in mind. There is a clear pattern forming. If the price fall below $22,000, chance of going towards 1985 will be there, and from there if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards 1974 to a level of 1971. Okay, and if the price started falling below 1971, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $1955, and from there a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. And once the price started falling below 1955, a further downfall we can see, and from there we can see a level of 1935 to a level of 1925 to a level of 1925, and then further low. Any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please